to give YouTube a few seconds per usual. Hope y'all are doing well and had a great weekend. Hey everyone, this is Omar Wright, and today we're developing the ice cream hand again today. I made a little bit of progress towards the movement and cover system, and today we're just going to be more doing the damage calculator. And get that incorporated into the game, the battle loop. So I created 3 constants, which is the battle random, count minimum, count max. So the minimum and the maximum is going to be how much the value changes. Essentially, I gotta figure out how to multiply it so it's that. So it's a random chance that you can miss and a random chance. Calculator. We want to see if they're moving. If defender is in cover, right now it's going to be ranged weapon. Let's see weapon data. Resources down here. It's going to be weapon data. Test weapon. I don't have damage. That's a quick fix. Got everything but damage, which is arguably the most important. Export. Damage. Make that an integer. Default is go back to Battle Manager. And now damage should appear. First, we want to see if they're moving. To set it. let's say a 20% decrease, so it's going to be 65 from the battle random. But let's 20% of 85. So it wants to be random F, which is movement hit chance. Actually, I'm off. It's going to be a random in range. And it's going to be battle. It's going to be 0 and 1. We want to calculate this first. If we are moving, then it's not and no more. You're being too literal. It's gonna be this and hit chance is greater than equal to battle damage that's going to be that we want to reverse. Yeah. I could just do another if statement. Good thing I caught it now. It's less than or equal to. That'll cover damage reduction. Which is going to equal 65% as well. If it is an enemy, we want to do this. Defender. Hey. I'm just noticing. Did the messages appear for you? I assume so, because I see your character. How did I do this? If chain Godot. Ah, they spell it different here. This word. To battle random. We're gonna add attributes here as well, but I just want it to function based upon where now you're in cover or where now you're moving. print. Attacker. Display name. Plus. Well, we're good. Yeah, we're printing. Miss. And then this is an else. Let me comment because it will throw me off if I come here in the future being like, what is this doing? This is determining if the attacker attack hit or miss. In the function and return nothing. Then if applying damage reduction if defender is in cover. So I noticed some things from playtesting that might be a bit interesting. As I was playtesting, the initial plan was to have it where the character resets being in cover or moving, but for me playing it, I like having it staying on. I feel like it flowed better, like the character stays in cover and stuff like that. Like here, it's in cover. Status change over here, so letting you know they're in cover. You choose whether to move or shoot. You shoot. We should have had a damage reduction, but we don't. But you see, I'm just going to demonstrate. We can do movement. And now we have the melee option because we're moving. Okay, melee. Melee does more damage for the cost of you being more exposed. And you can keep meleeing. Melee. Attacking. So it has a better flow state, in my opinion. And the reason why it's not working is because if we go over here, first of all, we gotta update the tooltip. Fender takes damage. It's gonna be attackers, display name. Attacker's display name plus, we're just going to keep it simple and just say attack. We'll make a distinction later. What I'm probably going to do is have like instead of a single line tooltip, it's going to be multiple lines in like a box or something like that. And this applies the damage. Enemy 0. It's going to be character and character weapon. That helped reduce a lot of code. This should reduce the enemy's code as well. So we don't have to have all of this anymore. Just this. Hopefully this doesn't break. Oh, and it's random. It's a random amount, and it's going down. Players moving. Shoot. Miss. They miss. They attack me. Melee. Melee. Player miss. I want something to appear. To let me know how much damage, like a damage indicator. Label. We're just going to do 00. Center, there it is. Theme. Click low. I guess battle interface? No. Where can I change the font? Fonts. first. Damage. Label. Damage. Fade. Let's see color. Font color. Want this to start off white. Omar's the worst at spelling. Damage. There we go. That's what I wanted. There it is. Want to be there. And I wanted to move up slightly. Pop up like that. So I'm gonna have to create a new script. Character battle base. Should pop up here. Yes. And it's going to be handling a lot in the future. Just going to do an export label damage. label, damage, visibility, equals true. Animation, player, play, label, damage, fade, text equals damage. There you go. Please call it fade. Yeah, damage fade. Last name, character, we're gonna have some problems with this though. We don't actually spawn them into the battle. If we go to the maps for battle, for example, they're already here. That's going to be an issue. Copy this. And we're going to paste. So, since we did that, we want to create something that, we want to create this thing called spawn points. So we can place them in here and they will automatically try to find the battle manager and add themselves to the yeah, they're gonna automatically add themselves. That's gonna be a bit difficult. We need to create spawn points anyway. But now we have that should solve a little bit of issues. But our damage calculator works, so that's nice. You know, it doesn't display it like the actual damage value like we doing with this animation. We're gonna have to do a lot of work to get there. A lot of necessary work, but it's gonna be a lot. So, a bug I discovered earlier this week was when you go through, say we go through the entire combat sequence, the data that gets loaded is the old data. And it's because we don't have the character data be generated from our character party or the enemy. So I demonstrate here. Yeah. Did the battle, combat. You see here, it's generated with 0, and I'm at 27. This is fine, but this isn't. If we run, same issue. But the enemy attacks automatically, which is not a good thing. If we run again, enemy attacks, boom. We have that issue now. So I need to create a character manager that takes back character data and replace it. But that's gonna have to be a next time thing. Said I was going to keep this kind of short because I need to do some grocery shopping today. I appreciate y'all coming to see me live stream. Since today was kind of short, I might do another game development this week. It's probably going to be like May 1st, just to keep it nice and simple. Well, anyway. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, stay beautiful, and I'll catch y'all May 1st. We'll keep May 1st. Y'all have a great time.